Let me up this up. Now when they want me, now they want cheap. They can't be baggy. Every people will live. Now with me, we are got the key. Now we are not sleep, man. Well, I'm not creep. Now we watch it steam. Sit down to cheap. When you're to be. So when I was a summer, put on my AK-1, step up on a young woman. And at the yard, to me, I go to the ball and me up on the but when I'm not, I'm terminology. Get up in your head like I majored in neurology. Way up in your girl cause I studied physiology. Fresh technology, here's from the prodigy. Coming to your heart with a new ideology. New methodology, hear the psychology. Pretty cats move by using astrology. Recognize that they're fool, this is the reality. Before you come to bed, check the practicality. Have to be prepared, got to know the technicality. Listen to my CD and check my vocality. Start see your cranium will make you lose your sanity. Rub up in the stereo, man, never use profanity. Play in the palladium, man, did it all for charity. Baby, shall big up your nationality. Me can't hear. Listen, can I chat something brand new? Listen. I've been through the time of one pair of shoe and not having much was the only thing I knew. Hope was scarce and money was few, so I had to wear the clothes that my brother outgrew. I've been through a period of joining a crew, up to no good, but we did what we do. People used to tell me, say, well, life gets screwed. Everybody used to have them own point of view. Some used to say them too good to play with us, cause we come from the hood. I've been through a phase of shame, cause I never understood. Mama used to tell me that I would. Now them say we in the club, champagne or pop pong. With the lights and the diamonds in my chain, them say wow. So you know what to rub it in, cause they wondering how. Them used to condemn woman, look at us now, yeah. We survive, tell them we survive. Been through the fire, but to come out alive, yes. We survive, tell them we survive. And the blessings of God that can keep we alive, yeah. We survive. Tell them we survive, been through the fire but to come out alive, yeah. We survive, tell them we survive and the blessings of God. Listen to me, this part is from Mr. Earl from Calabar. There was a time when my teachers presumed them think that my future was basically doomed. But God had plans, so it seems like them talk too soon. Cause my career blow up like balloon. But that was back. My career blow up like balloon, but that was back in the days when my grades wasn't such, and everybody think I would amount to much. I didn't care cause life really sucks. But now I'm in my phantom looking like $1 million bucks. We in the club, champagne like that pole. The lights in the diamonds in my chain, them somehow. So you know I have to rub it in, cause they wondering how. Them used to call them, but look at us now, yeah. We survive, tell them we survive. Been through the fire, but to come out yeah, that's what it's called, we survive. And listen to this, you have some feeling. Every time we think we're going to fall out, every time we disagree, you start shout. Why every time I pack the things and walk out, I you might find myself I think about. We always had vex and fight, then love and make up. Vex and fight, then love and make up. The sweetest time when you say you break up, then make love all night till you can't wake up. Listen to man. 2020, I'm going to give you some argument. Listen to me. You just say me, and me, yes. Me love you for real, but me not like your bad ways. We'll break up again, come in and love how you love. But me think about the sex and me want to take you back. Last night, you give me some 3 times. You let me.
Here's my little story.
This is a survival story. This is a true death. Come on, tell you that.
Here's my survival story.
This is my story. Let's go. We gon' straight up, but I remember down here. Get my smoke out, get kill me for bread, have you go to the road. I remember we visit them with pure song. The boy got the papa, so I remember when the afternoon when we have one sermon and keep on the fly out. I said, I'll be allowed to listen to that. That is what I know. That's the man who make me come up. Bring out the thing back.
Here's my little story.
This is so funny.
Been held to the fire, gonna take it higher. Here's my survival story. So many reasons to sing them. The keys to the kingdom.
Jamaican get screwed to read and not know. Politics manipulate and pursuits but no. Our rich now, so them can't tell man not know. That's how we have met mama now. Hey! Yeah! Wow! Are you ready to party some more? Are you ready to party some more? Before I go to party some more, let me tell you this. The road to success is not straight. There's a curve called failure, loops called confusion, speed bumps called friends, and red lights called enemies, caution signs called family, and flat tires called jobs. But if you have a spear called determination, and an engine called perseverance, with insurance called faith, and the drive to make it, you'll reach a place called success. Remember that. Tell them say I can not forget where I for no amount of money can't change. Me still blaze a skunk, me still blaze a skunk. I want to give it up for my drum on stage. Alexis, round of applause please. God in life, thanks for having us. I'm gonna drink some more, I'm gonna party some more. I wish y'all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year when it comes, and all the best for 2020. And remember this, I wish for all mankind a warm Jamaican Christmas time, where there is no snow, where the good sense in media grow. I wish that we could find true love at Christmas time.